Welcome from Commercial Investors Group. This short video will walk you through your AppFolio tenant portal, setting up AutoPay. Start by going to your AppFolio portal link. You received this in your AppFolio portal welcome email. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In. If this is your first time, follow the link in that email to set your password. Once you are logged in, look to the navigation menu and select Payments. From there, you will see the option to set up AutoPay. Your lease requires your first payment and AutoPay setup to be completed before you are able to obtain your keys to your suite. When setting up AutoPay, you will be asked how much to pay. Commercial Investors Group strongly recommends selecting Pay Balance in Full. Here is why. Each year at renewal, your lease amount may change. You may have utilities charges that may be applied and can vary in amounts. If you set a fixed dollar amount, your payment may fall short, and that means late fees. Paying your balance in full means the system always captures the correct amount automatically. Next, choose your payment date. Your lease states the date after which late fees apply. Set your AutoPay to process before that date. We recommend at least 1 or 2 days of buffer to account for any processing delays. You will want to cross-reference your lease to verify this monthly date. Connect your bank account by entering your routing and account numbers, then save your payment method. Your information is encrypted and stored securely by AppFolio. Your information can only be seen and changed by you, the tenant. Once saved, your AutoPay is active. You will receive a confirmation email from AppFolio. You can log back in at any time to review, update, or cancel your payment settings. Inform your property manager that you have set up ACH automatic payments. Commercial Investors Group will issue a recurring credit for the AppFolio charge of $2.99. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos at www.cre-fund.com for answers to your most common tenancy questions. We are glad to have you as part of the Commercial Investors Group community.